website? Does your website take longer than even just 2 seconds to load? If so, 47% of visitors are going to be unsatisfied as they expect your site to load in under that time. Each extra second you add on to your page response time, visitor satisfaction decreases by 16%. And there's more, 50% of visitors say they won't be loyal to a site that takes too long to load. And Google itself says, this is a direct quote, "Fast sites create happy users. That's why we've decided to take site speed into account in our search engine rankings." Schema is the solution to these problems. Schema is the fastest loading, ultra SEO friendly WordPress theme. Featuring all the best My Theme Shop features, Schema beats all other themes out of the water, including the Genesis theme framework. It has a page speed grade, that's how fast Google thinks your site is, of 99%. And you can see this independent comparison report in order to see the full breakdown on how Schema beats Genesis on nearly every single measurement. And Schema isn't just fast, it's also incredibly easy to use. From the theme options, you have one-click import and export options, allowing you to import your theme options and demo content for preset layouts that you'll find on the demos on mythemeshop.com with just one click. Just by pressing this button, I can import all the demo options, including the widgets, and I can have my site set up in no time at all. You can see if we load up my site now, it's changed straight to that design that you'll find on the demo on mythemeshop.com with just one click, including importing all of the widgets. You can do the same to import the alternative demo layout and have everything set up for you, as well as general settings where you can change things such as logo, favicon, Twitter username, and so on. Schema also comes with performance options where you can do things such as enable prefetching, lazy load images, which will delay loading of images until they're displaying on the user's screen, and you've also got options for using that on featured images as well as content images. And you have options such as async JavaScript, removing verb parameters, and optimizing scripts for use with the WooCommerce plugin. All of those you can change with just one click and then save those changes in order to have them immediately on your site. If I show you a post here, as this loads, you can see as we're scrolling down the page, the images are loading as we go. And that's a great way of saving on the initial loading speed, as well as reducing your server resources. Schema also contains styling options, where with one click again, you can change the entire color scheme used on the site. You can see currently we have this blue, but with one click I can change it to a red, perhaps change the tint, save those changes, refresh our site. And if we now check out the home page, we're going to see we've got this red color scheme, and you can really easily customize Schema in order to match your branding. You also have other styling options for use with the layout style. You can have a right sidebar or a left sidebar. You can change the site background, including a number of pre-built patterns or images, and you can also add your own custom CSS in order to get the exact look that you want. Schema also gives you dedicated options for things such as the header, the homepage, the footer, single posts, and so on, and you'll find a full video tutorial walking you through all of these options on mythemeshop.com. Schema is an incredibly SEO friendly and fast WordPress theme, and you can get it today on mythemeshop.com. Thank you very much.